Hello and welcome to our tech briefing for the Cobosafe measuring system. We will show you now how to operate the device and how to evaluate the corresponding measuring results. This device can be operated easily and intuitively with just one button. Press the button to switch on the device and hold it down for a few seconds to enter the menu. With further short presses, click through the menu. If the button is held down longer, a menu item opens. To measure force and pressure, we need the respective spring constant according to ISO TS 15066. A damping element, detected by a color sensor, and the Fuji pre-scale measurement films. Apply the damping element on top. Place the measuring sheets over it and make sure that the rough surfaces are positioned to each other. Finally, the microfiber cloth is placed on top. Now, carry out the measurement. Make sure that the robot performs a safety stop during the measurement and that only safety functions are activated. The measured forces can be read directly on the display. The corresponding pressure is detected by the measurement film. The film turns red due to the pressure. The stronger the red discoloration, the higher the pressure. To evaluate the measurement, use our Cobosafe software. First, create a project and follow the instructions in the wizard. Select the measurement equipment used, enter all the necessary information. Set up collision scenarios, specify the robots used, define movement and collision points. Select the affected human body regions by clicking on the body model. Now, import the force data via wireless module or USB connection. Open the measurement data, add further information and upload images. To import the pressure data, click Scan and select the appropriate scanner. For the scan, a calibration film is required. Place the measuring film on the scanner, rough side down. The calibration element is placed over the Fuji film. Now run the scan. In the software, select the area you want to evaluate. Check all parameters. Add notes and adjust the position. Get your combined force pressure result by connecting the two measurements using drag and drop. After all measurements have been assigned, the evaluation will follow based on the measurement results. These can be set as passed or failed. In this example, the quasi-static pressure threshold is exceeded. Finally, a log is created by opening the project window and clicking the appropriate button. The report is automatically created in Word. For more information about the Cobosafe measuring system, please visit us at cobosafe.com.